Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you how to delete emails on Outlook quickly and keep your inbox clean without any confusion. First, open Outlook on your computer or in your browser. Go to your inbox or any folder where the email is. Click once on the email you want to remove. You'll see a small trash bin icon at the top. Just click delete and the email moves straight to the deleted items folder. If you want to delete multiple emails at once, hold the Control key and click each message you want to select. Then hit delete or click the trash icon, and all of them will be removed together. To completely wipe them, open the deleted items folder. At the top, click empty folder, then confirm. This permanently removes the emails from your account. If you're using Outlook Web, it works the same way. Select the email, click the trash icon, or press the delete key on your keyboard. For bulk removal, tick the checkboxes now cleaner and easier to manage. Oh, and thanks for watching. Do like